Oh no, the Korok took a tumble, just like he does in the caves. Greetings, fellow humans. I have been obsessed with Tears of the Kingdom.
Fire! Fire!
In a minute! I've been particularly obsessed with the adorable creatures that call themselves Koroks that gift you golden seed poops, or whatever they are. So I have to make a cake of them and capture their adorable cuteness. But first, I'm gonna make a 6-inch trunk, or the stump of the tree. So the Korok is gonna be resting on this, and it doesn't have to be perfect when I ice it, because I kinda wanna have lots of texture and be very foresty and woodland-like. So I'm gonna use this little serrated edge, and I'm gonna go up from the bottom, and then I'll go in a spiral or a circle on the top. So if there's like a lip, that's actually good, because usually like trunks have a lip, like the bark encases the wood, you know? Am I making that up? And then I'm gonna put a little branch right here, a little piece of fondant. We'll put some leaves on it so it doesn't look like just some tentacle parasite sticking out. Now for the Korok, I'm just gonna have 3 4-inch rounds. I'm gonna stack on top of each other, and we're gonna sculpt the Korok. This is gonna look weird before it looks right. So these will go into a point, and these will go into a point, and then we'll have little hands and little legs. He's a little fat, but I think it's okay. He will give us extra seeds. Oh no, the Korok took a tumble, just like he does in the caves when you drop him and he actually goes careening down a cliff. Does that happen to anybody else? No? Okay, so this is just a little bit of white modeling chocolate that I made, and I'm gonna wrap it over the Korok. I just wanna color this modeling chocolate with a base color, just kind of like a brownish, light brownish color that I will then paint over. Gotta do a little orange and a little bit of black. That's how you make brown. So you got a little lesson today. All right, so I don't like how this is going, guys. So this has to go. I don't think the cake's gonna work. I'm gonna have to do the Korok, I think, with a base of Rice Krispie, because it's just too small and I'm not getting the right shape that I want, and then I can cover it up with modeling chocolate, and we'll go from there. Okay, so this is gonna be the base of my Korok now. So I'm gonna fill in all the gaps between the Rice Krispies with some chocolate. You can do it with icing, you can sand this down. It's kind of however you want, but this is just sort of the way I've chosen to do it. Do you mind? Is the cat doing something bad? Now I'm gonna apply the modeling chocolate, and I think I'm just gonna kind of do it in panels instead of trying to cover it all at once. Okay, somehow I have to pick this up and put it on, but I don't know how to take it off because it's stuck. It's a little lumpy, but it's definitely much better than before. So now we're just painting the wood pattern of the Korok. So my kid got into this cake. So this trunk got a little bit messed up anyways, even before the cat got to it, because I kind of swished it, but that's okay. We're gonna cover it with some grass and some leaves and things like that. But the biggest thing that we have to do is we've got to put the mask on the Korok, the most important part. So the 5-pointed leaf Korok is one of my favorites. I don't know, it's just his derpy face, and he's like, why am I here? What am I doing? I don't know, I relate to him. So I'm gonna put him here. I'm gonna trace him over onto some fondant, and we will go from there. He's so cute. I'm just gonna use a tip to kind of take out the circle parts, where the nose is gonna go, where the eyes are gonna go. So I'm just gonna eat this because it's easier than to throw it away. That's what happens. When you don't want to clean up, you just put it in your mouth. It's not a good system. Got the stripies, and now we're going to paint it. the nose. That's his nose. He's a nice nose. Oh. No. No. He needs to dry. I'm gonna put a little bit of chocolate just to make sure it sticks good, because I don't want any casualties. I think I can trim him a little bit. Give him a little groom up here. I think I made his little twigs too long. I think he's pretty cute. I think the mask is what makes it. And I think before that, it looked kind of just like this amorphous kind of blob. Yay! So I fixed the bits that my cat licked off. And then I want to break the color up. So I'm going to add some green. I'm going to add some powder for moss. And now I have to make the ultimate decision. I think I'm gonna snip him right here, and then I'm gonna add another one. All right, I did it. I snipped it. So here's the Korok all trimmed up. He's looking good. I think he's super cute. Hey! This is definitely not how I imagined it. Anyways, that's a Korok seed. Hooray! Yahaha! No Koroks were harmed in the filming of this video, but he is edible. Bam bam bear when the